Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Klarna at Walmart. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by shopping on Walmart through the website, mobile app, or in a physical store. Add the items you want to purchase and continue to checkout. When you reach the payment section, look for the option called One Pay Later powered by Klarna and select it as your payment method. Next, Klarna will show available payment plans. You'll see the payment details up front, including how much you pay now and the remaining future payments. Review the options and choose the plan that works best for your budget. After selecting a plan, continue and complete your purchase. If you're shopping in-store, you may need to confirm the payment using the One Pay or Klarna app on your phone. Once your order is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your payment schedule, including due dates and payment amounts. To manage your installments, open the Klarna app or OnePay app where you can view upcoming payments, make early payments, and track your progress. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Klarna at Walmart. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.